Oh my God, guys. Good evening. So, nandito tayo sa Elane Casino. So, gabi na, guys. So, 7 o'clock sa gabi. Ang daming tao, guys, kasi weekend siya, Saturday. Dami talagang nagkakasino, guys, pag Sabado, pag weekend, at saka Linggo. So, tingnan nyo, ang daming tao, guys. So, magkasino tayo today, but not much. Tignan lang natin yung luck natin, guys. Tignan natin mamaya sa loob, okay? I'll show you guys inside of Elane Casino in Washington State. Alright, I'll be back. Bye-bye. Wow, super lucky natin, guys. Kahit ang daming tao sa gabi ng Saturday. Kasi yung car natin is electric. So, buti na lang may one space pa tayo, guys. So, yung parking nila dito is free lang. So, pag may car ka, itap mo lang siya. Yan. And then, magbigyan ka nila ng authorization. Ang daming tao nagkakasino, guys. Pag gabi talaga, ang daming tao. Tignan mo yan. Kasi nga walang work dito sa guys, sa US. So pag weekend talaga, yung iba talaga nagkakasino. Ito nga pala yung Elane sa Washington State. Malapit lang ito sa amin, mga 20 minutes lang. So tara, sa loob tayo. Ang daming tao. Makaano tayo, guys, paghahanap tayo ng machine kasi super dami ng tao. Tignan nyo. Super dami talaga. Oh my God. So, tignan natin. So, ito nga pala yung Elane Casino, guys. Super dami. Welcome to Elane. Tignan nyo. Ang dami. Tignan natin. Kasi yung gusto kong laruin is ito. But parang walang nagkakit. Ayan. Yeah, this is Elane, guys. Alright. Maghanap kayo ng machine natin na dito kaya tayo. Uy, walang space. Yan, ito ang lagi kong nilalaro, guys. Kaso walang space. Puno. Ito ang lagi kong nilalaro. Puno siya. So maghanap tayo. See you later, guys. So we got the bonus. For 50 cents. Let's see if this thing will pay good. Let's see. Come on, dragon. No, this is not good. Come on. Where's the dragon? The dragon is the one who paid more, guys. So, yeah, let's see. Oh no, yes. So, we got this dragon over here. Oh, we got 44. So dragon pays really good, guys. If we see the dragon, that's the dragon pay the most. That one. That one. It's nice if we have two, but we got only 90 cents of that. Give us more dragon. Oh, okay. That's it, guys. So for 50 cents, we got 45, so not bad. So, alright.